Just playing with my dog. She's running around everywhere. She scratched me in the face earlier. So hairy. Freaking Chewbacca. Serious. Chill. I'm gonna see what my brothers do. He's sleeping. Chill. Chill. You know, I think it's raining outside. No, it was raining before. Earlier this morning it was. My brother's at his soccer game right now. He's with my mom. Me and my brother just stayed home. No, chill! She's just humping my leg. She's just humping my leg. What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? Why are you so salty? Why are you so hairy? Bruh, look at this dude. You looking like Chewbacca. So freaking hairy. You looking like Splinter from the Ninja Turtles. Hairy little dog. She really looks like Chewbacca. When we first got her, we were gonna name her Splinter. Cause she looked like, yeah, you know, from Ninja Turtles and whatever. We were gonna name her Splinter. But my mom said, ooh, let's name her Nala. Cause from the Lion King, she's like, ooh, let's name her Nala. And I was like, no, I wanna name her Splinter. And she's like, no, we're naming her Nala. And I was like, isn't she a boy? And then I was like, isn't it a boy? Because I didn't know if it was a boy or girl. And she's like, it's a girl. And I was like, oh, okay, well then let's name it Nala. Nala, chill. He's humping my leg again. So weird. I was just watching TV. I'm all tired. I just woke up. Oh, I'm gonna see what it's like outside. Hold up. It's raining. I wanted to play basketball too. Whatever. Sup, Nala? How you doing? Nala, chill! What is wrong with you? She's just humping my leg again! My gosh, Nala. What is wrong with you? Come on, Nala. Come on. Well, I might have to go. Why is there a hole in my pocket? There's a hole in my pocket for some reason. See, there's like a little hole. Whatever. But I'm gonna get going. So I'll see you guys later. Subscribe to my channel, Real Fancy, and see you later.